Welcome to Maths for Graduates. Today we'll see the definition of limit point of sequence. After that we'll see the proof of balls on a Weierstrass theorem. Okay. So let's start with the definition of limit point of a sequence. Okay. Suppose an is some sequence. Okay. And L is limit point of this sequence. Okay. Then L is said to be the limit point if every neighborhood of L, okay, L minus epsilon, comma L plus epsilon, this is what? This is neighborhood of L, okay, and epsilon is some positive, okay. Then L be the limit point of this sequence if every neighborhood of L contains infinite number of elements of sequence. Okay, let me make you understand this definition with the help of an example. Suppose we have a sequence. Suppose we have sequence 1 over n. Okay, and a graphical representation of this sequence will be like this. You can see in the neighborhood of 0, there are infinitely many terms of the sequence. Okay, here blue dots are the terms of the sequence. So for this sequence 0 is the limit point. Okay, any other point cannot be its limit point. For example 1 over 2. Okay, in the neighborhood of 1 over 2 there is no element of the sequence. Okay, you can see here clearly. So I can say that a real number P is not a limit point of a sequence an if there exists at least one neighborhood of P which contains finite number of elements of sequence an. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Now let us see one more example that will make your concept more clear. Sequence is an equals to minus 1 raised to power n. Okay, graphical representation of this sequence will be like this. So there are only two terms in this sequence, 1 and minus 1. Okay, now the question is, are these limit point? For this, apply the definition, make a neighborhood of 1. Now you can see inside the neighborhood of 1 there are infinitely many ones. That means there are infinitely many terms of sequence. Hence 1 is the limit point of this sequence. Okay, similarly minus 1 is also the limit point of this sequence. Now with the help of this example I can say that if range set of sequence is finite, then limit point of the sequence will exist. Okay, you have seen this in this particular example. Here range set is 1 and minus 1 and it is finite, hence limit point exists which are 1 and minus 1. Now let us proceed for the main topic of today's video, balls on a Weierstrass theorem. Statement of this theorem is every bounded sequence has limit point. Okay, so proof of this theorem will be, suppose we have some sequence an. Okay, so for this sequence there will be two cases, when range set is finite and when range set is infinite. Okay, now let us start with case 1, when range set is finite. Case 1, when range set is finite. As you have just seen, when range set is finite, limit will exist. Okay, so there is nothing left to prove for this case. Hence, for this case, when range set is finite, limit will exist. Okay, now let us see for the case 2, when range set is infinite. Graph here you are seeing is for some arbitrary sequence an. Okay, since it is given that the sequence is bounded, so all the blue dots, that means elements of the sequence, will lie between these two red horizontal line. Now we have this set, okay, which is bounded, and this set contains infinitely many points, because we have assumed that the set is range set is infinite. Okay, let me call this set as S. So S is infinite bounded set. Okay, and we know that according to the Bolzano-Weierstrass theorem of set, every infinite bounded set has limit point. Okay, hence S has a limit point. This implies sequence an has limit point. Okay, this completes the proof of Bolzano-Weierstrass theorem for sequence. So this is the end of the video. If you like this video, give the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.